all you gotta do is say my name.
I don't know your name.
Well, I can't say it.
How about a game of charades?
Yes, let's play it.
2 words.
Right.
Second word.
No.
Drink. Beverage.
No.
Wine.
No.
Juice.
Yes.
Okay, first word. Bug.
No.
Ants.
Close but no.
Beetle.
Yes.
Beetlejuice.
Wow, I'm impressed. And all you gotta do is say my name 3 times. 3 times in a row. It must be spoken, unbroken. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Beetlejuice.
Yes.
Beetlejuice.
Yes. Oh, this is gonna be so good!
'Cause
What?
You're so smart, a stand-up bro. I'll think about your offer, let you know. But I prefer my chances down below. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Being young and female doesn't mean that I'm an easy mark. I've been swimming with piranhas, I don't need a shark. Yes, life sucks, but not that much. Okay, Beetlejuice,
Yes,
Beetlejuice.
yes.
You don't spare the lecture.
Offering you a full-time specter.
Are